Okay, hello, dear students. Good morning to all of you. Okay, we can start our today's politics. On the last class, we have discussed about the two set of reasons that causing to the desirability of power sharing. Okay, now we are moving to discuss about the last topic in this chapter. Okay, anyway, we can complete this topic by this class. We need two periods also. Okay, you can see the title of today's topic: the forms of power sharing. Forms of power sharing, or the types of power sharing. Okay, that means in the world, the power sharing is an idea that was emerged as a concept against the notion of undivided political power. The power sharing is a concept or an idea which emerged in opposition, which emerged as a opposing view towards the undivided political power. The undivided political power means the rule of a government should be in one hand or a few group of people. It's like the monarch or kingship or dictator rules. Okay, so as a result of the spread of democracy, the relevance or the importance of the power sharing was increased. Okay, so in a democracy, the people are the rulers. So the good democratic country, they will consider the diversity of their country. They will recognize the diverse nature of the social groups, and they will try to unite the country. Okay. In short, we can say that the power sharing is a good method in the democratic country. Okay. Normally, in modern democracies, there are four type of the generally the world democratic countries are following power sharing in four levels. One was power shared among different organs of government. Second was power shared among different governmental levels of government. Then third was power shared among the different social groups, and the fourth one was power shared among different political parties, pressure groups, and movements. Okay. Today we are going to discuss only about the first one, the power shared among different organs of government. Okay. So already we are familiar with the three organs of the government: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Last year we have studied very detailed about the functions and responsibilities of the three organs. Okay. In a democracy, the power of a government should be divided between these three organs: legislature, executive, and judiciary. These three organs are in the same status. Their level was same in linear level, but they are exercising different powers. It is very clear for you. The legislature, executive, and judiciary, they are following in the same status, same level, but exercising different power. They have different powers. The legislation or the lawmaking is the main function of the legislature. Executing or implementation of the laws and functions is the main duty of the executives. And if any dispute will arise, it is the duty of the judiciary to resolve or to settle that problem. So here the power shared among different organs in a same level, that is, this power sharing is also known as horizontal distribution of power sharing. And also, in the system of the power sharing, none of the organs have unlimited power. These three organs have the power was on the limited level. any organ have unlimited power. Okay, that means, for example, in the case of the executive, the lawmakers are the legislature people, but and the executing policy was in the hand of the executives, but the legislature people or the legislatures can check the functions of the executive. Similarly, the judiciary or the judges were appointed by the executives. But even though the judiciary can take any action against executive and legislature. So in short, these three organs are check their system, check and balancing of their power arrangement. So this system is also known as check and balance system. Okay, that is only about the first form of power sharing, the power shared among different organs of government. That three organs are legislature, executive, and judiciary. Okay, now we can stop for today's class. In the coming classes, we can discuss the remaining forms of power sharing. Okay, thank you for all. Good morning.